It's been a long and hard winter, but we made it, and you're just in time for SeedStalked Part 2. Funding cut means overambitious road ends here. They raised the topsoil and now there's no flowers. So here's my solution. Come see the flowerbombs. I put 2 to 3 teaspoons of seed in each of these and labeled them. The basket is full of about 5 tablespoons mixed per biodegradable balloon. First up is the Indian blanket. It will take root in the level limestone-rich soil. Go, go! This just so happens to be one of the most boring parks. Let's liven it up a little with some Desmanthus illinoisensis, a plant which naturally contains dimethyltryptamine. Oh, and some monarda citriodora, a plant which naturally contains cannabinoids. What's that? More cannabinoids? Hold on. We have the narrow-leaf purple coneflower. This park's about to get a lot more exciting
and colorful.
On the other side of town, we had some new construction and they wiped a whole area out, dumped out white chalk rock to top it off. Now there's homeless people that live where the machinery parked. I'm thinking wild carrot and opium lettuce. It's SeedStalked Part 2, Abandoned Mall. A nice tall bunch of pretty pink basket flowers is what it needs. And let's also do some vibrant fuchsia dalea purpureas. This one should do good in low light, the verbena howlai. 2 more, a hairy vetch and mixed. Oh, one more, the zero-escaping, no-water flower of the year, Bellasperma filifolium. Camera bag's favorite flower of the year. Teen Fangs happily contributed 1 balloon. He stalked it and collected his very first species, under the condition that it remain a mystery until after filming this video. What's done is done. Bomb, bomb. mulch a lot with calciferous soil. Me, some Susan, and some Neptunia lutea. About 16 years ago, I was running some experiments and things got out of hand. Ended up with about 2,000 seeds I shouldn't have, so I dumped them in this floodplain. I couldn't bear the thought of burning them. Landsleaf coreopsis will grow perfectly right here in the road runoff. This was my favorite flower last year. Over the bridge for old time's sake. It's our last stop. They mow too much at this park, and it never has the chance to get any good flowers in it, just the ones that can grow between mows and sticker bushes. We have 3 quick-growing seed factories, the slender vetch, the partridge pea, and the milkweed. Good luck getting rid of these. We also have a few mixed left. There was a little spot down here in this blackland soil that used to have purple coneflower and bee balm. Bring it back. Bring it back. Last one. We're but one rain away from a little flower spray. Seed timer set, you can only make one bet. Which one's gonna pop up near you? Thanks for watching. Let us know. There should be a part 3.